You open Prime Video on your Fire TV, ready to watch something, and instead, you're staring at a black screen with error code 1061. No loading, no explanation, just frustration. If this keeps happening, don't worry. Let's break down what Fire TV error 1061 means and how to fix it for good. In simple terms, it means your Fire TV is failing to properly connect to Amazon Prime Video servers. This usually happens because of a weak or unstable internet signal, a VPN interfering with the connection, corrupted app data, outdated software, or even something as simple as an HDMI issue. Let's go through the fixes, starting with the one that works most often. First, restart your Fire Stick, unplug it from power, wait a full minute, then plug it back in. It sounds basic, but many users say this alone fixes error 1061 instantly. If the error comes back, do a full power cycle. Unplug your Fire Stick, your TV, and your router. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Then plug in the router first and let it fully reconnect, followed by the TV and the Fire Stick. This refreshes the entire connection chain. Next, refresh your Wi-Fi connection. Go into your Fire TV network settings, forget your Wi-Fi network, then reconnect and enter the password again. This often clears hidden network conflicts. If that doesn't help, clear Prime Video's cache and data. Corrupted temporary files are a very common cause of this error. After clearing the cache and data, restart your Fire Stick and try Prime Video again. Now, if you're using a VPN, this is important. Temporarily turn it off and open Prime Video. If everything suddenly works, your VPN is the reason you're seeing error 1061. Amazon frequently blocks VPN connections, so you may need to switch servers or watch without it. Another quick check is software updates. Make sure your Fire Stick software is fully up to date, and then check the Amazon App Store to confirm Prime Video itself is updated as well. Outdated software can break communication with Amazon servers. Now here's a fix many people overlook, the HDMI connection. If your Fire Stick came with an HDMI extender, use it. It helps reduce interference and overheating behind the TV. Also, make sure the Fire Stick is firmly plugged in and try switching to a different HDMI port. Surprisingly, this has resolved error 1061 for a lot of users. If none of that works, your last option is a factory reset. This will erase all data and settings, but it almost always fixes stubborn error 1061 issues that keep coming back. And for more quick Fire TV and streaming fixes, don't forget to like and subscribe.